Guys, watch this. Now watch what I want to do. I want to add sound effect to this. You see the difference between when you have sound effects. Yeah, let's use this crowd celebration sound effect. So now let's add the sound effect to this. What will be this? So let me fade it in so it's not look very sharp. You see what sound effect does? Let me play it again. So this part that they are shouting also, let's duplicate this sound effect. So let's do it like this.